Pati yata yung mga alcohol and perfume, kahit maliit lang, bawal. So, pag bawal, paalisin ka doon sa pila, tapos dispose mo sa labas yung mga dala mo, tapos pipila ka ulit for x-ray. Pag after ng x-ray, sa loob may waiting area kung maaga ka pa for your time. So, naghintay pa kami doon ng mga 10 to 15 minutes. Tapos, around 8 o'clock, nagpapasok na doon sa loob ng mismong building. And then, step 1 is parang screening lang, hiningi lang yung passport, and then tinanong kung recent yung photo, and then pina-verify lang yung name and birthday. After that, step 2 na, which is yung biometrics. So, kunin na yung fingerprints mo, yung 4 fingers ng left hand, 4 fingers ng right hand, tapos thumb. After na, pag okay na, step 3 ka na. So, step 3 yung interview mismo. So, maraming window